Have you ever wondered why your scalp feels itchy or flaky? It might not always be just dandruff and could be something else. If you or someone around you is suffering from dandruff that is not going away even after you have tried all kinds of shampoos and lotions, then you need to watch this video till the very end. Imagine you are getting ready for a big day and you spot these pesky white flakes on your shoulder. Annoying, right? But here's the shocking fact. Around half the population experiences dandruff at some point during their life. But could it be something else? Stick around to find out more. Dandruff is basically your scalp getting rid of the dead skin cells at a rapid pace than usual, which causes flaking. It's often linked to yeast-like fungus called malassezia. While it does not always mean that getting rid of the fungus will eliminate dandruff altogether, but that is a video for another day. Dandruff is a very common condition and affects around 1 in every 5 people. But how does it differ from psoriasis? Unlike dandruff, psoriasis is an autoimmune condition wherein your body tries to fight off against itself. It speeds up the life cycle of the skin cells and they build up on the surface of the skin, forming plaques that can be itchy and sometimes even painful. Did you know that 2 to 3% of the global population suffers from psoriasis? That's millions of people living with this condition every day. But how do you tell them apart? Dandruff usually shows up as flakes that are easy to brush off. But psoriasis forms plaques that are thicker, more extensive, and might even bleed when scratched. Just remember, if you are ever in doubt, it's always best to consult a dermatologist. You're not alone in this.